Hola clase, espero que estén bien. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is upcoming for this week. So I did want to review the upcoming activities that we have for the 11th. Okay, so if you check it out here, we do have 4 different activities that are going to be due. ¿Qué tiempo hace? Repaso de vocabulario, the demonstratives grammar tutorial, and the demonstratives activities. If you go into recorded lectures, you do have the lectures for chapters 1, 2, and 3, and the Bienvenidos chapter, which can all help you prepare for the upcoming exam that we have. And I don't know if it is at the bottom available for you guys. So let's go here. We do have our exam coming up. If you'll see here, written exams 1 and 2. It is not assigned through Blackboard because it's only going to be available from October 12th to the 18th. Okay, so that is when we are having our midterm for the course. If you go here under course documents, you'll see this that I've posted for the written and oral exam 1, and it just goes through to give you some more information. So it is worth 100 points. There are 10 random questions from a pool of questions from the different chapters that we've had, chapters 1, 2, and 3 in Bienvenidos. It is available starting at 6 a.m. on Monday, October 12th, and it closes Sunday, October 18th at 11:59 p.m., so you have the whole week to complete it. Okay, so what are you going to be doing in the exam? You are going to be writing 2 essays. The structure is already provided, so you kind of just have to fill in your own perspective. Like if it says, it might ask you a question like, what is your name? So you'll respond, me llamo Stephanie, or ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Stephanie. The next section might ask you, what color are your eyes? Mis ojos son de color café, right? Okay, so the first essay asks what you look like, the clothes you're wearing, and your favorite activities. The second essay asks you to talk about your favorite activities in the different seasons. So specifically, primavera, verano, otoño, invierno, okay? The next section for vocab, you might see one or more of these. Specifically study these sections that come from the different parts of our textbook in the vocabulary section over chapters 1, 2, and 3. And then for gramática, make sure that you know the verb conjugations for the following verbs: estar, ser, and llamarse, and subject pronouns. Okay. Okay, so the different subject pronouns have already been provided. We have the yo form, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay, and then I gave you the conjugations for the verbs along with the subject pronouns. Okay, and estar and ser, they both mean the same thing, which is to be in English, and the different conjugations are here. And then finally we have llamarse, and it is a reflexive verb, so that's why you have the me, te, se, nos, os, and se that come before the verb. Okay, so when you're talking about yourself, you say me llamo. If you're asking somebody what their name is, ¿cómo te llamas? Okay, so you do need to have that reflexive pronoun there. Okay, and then you have the oral exam instructions. So this is just telling you when to complete the oral exam, which is the same week, Monday, October 12th to Sunday, October 18th. You're going to meet with your assigned partner to complete the conversation below, record it via Zoom, and then you'll turn it in through Blackboard. And I'll show you where to turn it in just a moment. So the prompt is here. Coordina con alguien de tu clase para hablar de las actividades. ¿Con qué frecuencia hacen estas actividades durante la semana? Right, so how often do you do these activities during the week? And it gives you a little example. The first one says, casi nunca lavo el carro. ¿Y tú? Y el estudiante 2, lavo el carro de vez en cuando. And here it gives you different vocabulary words that you can use when you're responding to the different activities, which you find here. So you and your partner both have to respond. Okay, so you will go through these different activities and you and your partner both have to respond to them. So the first partner might say, con frecuencia veo la televisión por la noche. ¿Y tú? So you have to respond to it, and then you say at the end, ¿y tú? Like to your partner, and you. And then your partner says, nunca veo la televisión por la noche. And you guys will go through for each one, and it's specific to your situation. Okay, so this is here and available for you. If you go here under assignments, you'll see the quiz chapter 3 submission via Zoom. Okay, so work on those items. If you guys do have any questions, please reach out to me.